What is it about French country homes that people never seem to forget? You can scroll through hundreds of beautiful interiors online. You can save the latest decorating trends. You can completely redesign a room. And yet, many people still find themselves drawn back to French country style. Not because it's the newest, not because it's the most expensive, but because it offers something many homes seem to be missing today. Hello again, my cozy designers. I'm Lacey, and today I want to talk about the one thing French country homes have that trends can never replace. Because I don't think people are falling in love with this style because of a color palette or a specific piece of furniture. I think it's something much deeper than that. So today, let's explore why French country homes continue to be so loved and discover the one thing that keeps bringing people back to this timeless style. 1. French country homes feel like they've been loved. One reason people are returning to French country style is because these homes don't feel brand new, they feel lived in. A dining table with a few marks from years of family meals. A cabinet that's been treasured for decades. Linen curtains softly worn by sunlight. Nothing feels disposable, and perhaps that's what makes these homes feel so comforting. They remind us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, it comes from a life well lived. 2. They tell a story instead of following a trend. Think about most decorating trends. They appear suddenly, everyone wants them, and then a few years later, they're gone. French country homes work differently. The furniture looks collected, the decor feels personal, the rooms tell a story about the people who live there. And that's something trends simply can't create, because stories take time, and the homes we remember most are often the ones that feel deeply personal. They make comfort feel elegant. One thing I love about French country interiors is that they never force you to choose between beauty and comfort. The rooms are elegant, but they're also welcoming. The sofas invite you to sit down. The kitchen feels ready for conversation. The dining room feels ready for guests. These homes aren't designed to impress from a distance. They're designed to be enjoyed. And honestly, that's becoming more appealing than ever. People want homes that feel beautiful, but also feel good to live in. 4. They celebrate imperfection. This may surprise you. Many of the details people love most in French country homes aren't perfect. Weathered wood, aged finishes, vintage finds, handmade pottery. These little imperfections give a home personality. They make a room feel authentic. And in a world where so much feels polished and identical, authenticity has become incredibly valuable. Because perfection may impress people, but these little marks of life impress in a different way. Five, the one thing trends can never replace. And this brings us to the answer. The one thing French country homes have that trends can never replace is character. Not perfection, not luxury, not whatever happens to be popular this year. Character. The feeling that a home has history, the feeling that it's been loved, the feeling that it belongs to the people who live there. That's why French country style never really disappears, because character never goes out of style. Perhaps French country homes continue to capture our hearts for a reason, not because they're trendy and not because they're perfect, but because they offer something many of us are longing for today. A home that feels personal, a home that feels welcoming, a home that tells a story. In a world where styles come and go, French country decorating holds on to something timeless: warmth, character, a sense of belonging. And that may be why this beautiful style never truly goes out of fashion. As you continue watching, enjoy these charming interiors and the details that make them so memorable. You may even find a little inspiration to bring that same warmth and character into your own home. Thank you so much for watching and spending this cozy time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back again here at Design My Cozy Home for more beautiful home inspiration. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you think character is what makes a home truly beautiful? Or is there something else that makes a house feel unforgettable to you? Until next time, keep creating a home that feels warm, meaningful, and truly yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.